aluminum CNC fabricated QMK/VIA Bluetooth keyboard. Presented by Analogg. Inspired by the space exploration. Space, flame, full aluminum body. Wherever you go, Analogg follows and sparkle. Just a cool looking guy? Nope. Analogg supports QMK and VIA. You could customize and redefine every single key, according to your personal preference. Improves your work efficiency. Customizable backlight for every kind of mood. Supports 5 major OS. Max 8 device connection capacity at the same time. And switch smoothly. How about more? Gasket structure improves typing experience into a new level. Silicone gasket, sound absorbing foam, brings smooth and quiet experience. A new level of typing. Plug in with Type-C cable to ultimate your gaming experience. Built-in 8,000 mAh battery, even you are in a long trip. Supports different gate-around switches with passion to the unknown Analogg.